Alright, so I just bought some coilovers for my Mustang. They're Hyper Street Performance. This is what they look like here. I guess this part would be for the rear, because it has the solid axle. Then I got this one, part of the rear assembly for the Mustang. The front. Put this on it. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be lower. I think it'll be lower. Since right now it's stock height. So when I lower it, it's probably gonna. I'm hoping it goes down here. I don't know how low it's gonna go because these are pretty small tires. So hopefully I get it nice and low. One thing I'm worried about though is I have spaces on these, and if you look at how, if I go low enough, it might hit here. Hopefully not. It's pretty flush, but it might not. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah. So I'll get started. I took pretty much most of it out already. Pretty much all I had to take out was this tie rod end. There's a nut here I take out, 2 studs and nuts that went in here for the shock that I'm replacing. This for the stabilizer link, I just unbolted that. Took this caliper bracket off. There's 2 brackets. There's 2 bolts that go on. All right, for the top part of the shock, there's 3 bolts here. 1, 2, and 3. And once I take those out, the whole thing will drop right out. This whole shock. So I took the shock off, and you can really see the difference here. It's way like this is probably about like 3-4 inches lower. This new one, and plus also when I put that on, I'm probably gonna have to take the spring out because I don't really need it. It comes as an assembly, so I'm gonna just rip this shit out and I'll put this beauty in here. See how beautiful it looks. Alright, so I'm pretty much all got it back together. I put the new coilover on. It's on right there. It's on. Wait, if you want to adjust the height, you gotta move the collar. You move this thing if you want to adjust the height. And if you want to adjust the spring tension, which is how stiff and how soft you want the rod, you have to adjust these collars here. But I think I'm just gonna leave these right now because I don't know. And so for the high rate adjustment, I decided to go right down super low because I want this thing. I just want to see how it dumped. Hopefully it's drivable. But yeah, it's all the way. I did both sides. So this one is completely, collars are all up. The same with this side, all the collars. See, look at that. Hopefully, yeah, it should be good. But I got an issue now. Fuck. It's stuck. Jack's stuck under the vehicle. And I have no idea how the hell I'm gonna get that out. Because I got this out, but now this is stuck. Like, it's fucking stuck in there. Fuck. Yeah. Looks alright though. Alright, a few fucking around, I was able to get it off. Man. It was a lot of work. I got it. Man, this thing is low as hell. Shit. it's on like 918s, so it doesn't really look that, like the fitment's not how I like it, but it's not bad. I had to support the vehicle down here, under here, and here, because when you lower its jack and open and polish, it's back here. Alright, so to get at this bolt, I had to like remove all the stuff covering all this stuff I was put in order to get at this. So I'm gonna probably do the same thing for that side. I'll probably have to remove this whole thing. So I got those two bolts out, one there. I took that whole cover panel off. Got that. There's a bolt. Took it off right there. And also I took the springs out, and you can really see the difference. How much lower, like huge difference. Damn! Way more lower. It's way more. Both sides, I got both those sides off. So now I'm just gonna take the shock out on both sides shocks. So yeah, that's the height difference for the shock. Make sure this is adjusted to all the way to the lowest. Alright, got the shocks in, the new ones, and I bolted down up there. Down here needs to be tightened still. Same thing with the other side, got that one on. Now I just got to fasten this on here, but it's gonna be tricky because I need to like angle this and then jack it up at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, got the springs sitting. Yeah, they're sitting proper where they're supposed to be. Got the shocks in. Good to go. Now we can test how we can test it. Oh, it's not low enough. I think I'm gonna need to go lower. I think I'm gonna have to. There's a collar and right there. That collar. I'm gonna have to take that out. Then I can get a little bit lower. So right now that's.
Alright, so I have it apart again. Now I'm gonna take this washer out. So all I gotta do is just
I thought it was gonna be lower, but I mean, you're only changing that much. That's like an inch, maybe not even. So it's not gonna move that much, but I think that's good for now, honestly. Yeah.